Hello, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have HONOR Magic8 Pro. In this video let's fix overheating while gaming on this device. So the first step, if you want to fix overheating while you game on this device, let's open settings and you want to find section battery. Now at the top please tap battery usage mode, and here you want to aim for balanced or power saving modes. Okay, now let's go back to homepage of settings and let's adjust your display settings. You want to open section display and brightness, and now let's find screen resolution, and here enable smart resolution option. Additionally, while you game you want to drop your brightness, screen brightness, to at least 70%. Because if you're gaming, let's say, at 100% brightness, even the best cooling system will struggle in this case. So you have to drop your brightness, or you can use auto brightness. Okay, and last but not least, I would say this is the top one cause of overheating while you game on your device is gaming while you charge your device. So please avoid that as much as you can. So yeah, that is a very crucial fix. So that is basically it. I really hope that those fixes help you, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.